friends, today we have with us the very sweet Tridha Chaudhary. Tridha Chaudhary जो काफी famous थी अपने दहलीज के character स्वाधीनता के लिए. So let's hear from Swadhinta, also known as Tridha, that what's happening in her life these days.
Loads of things. So I know social media where I've been posting lots of pictures, throwback pictures of my Europe vacation or wherever I travel here and there. I am doing a web series right now. It is for a medium called ViewClip. Like Netflix, ViewClip is also like an American, platform for all those shows and series which are coming up. So it is with, I cannot give you the details of the names, but definitely with a very big American company in, an Indian collaboration. I'm very excited because you all will see me in a very different form. Because in life, we all go through a journey. So this is not about a love story. It's not about anything else. It's about a girl's journey, where she was probably 4 years back and where 4 years of her life shapes her to be somebody completely different.
सो तो थी उनकी वेब सीरीज की बातें. अब त्रिधा हमें ये तो बताइए कि क्या है आपकी टीवी पे वापस आने की प्लानिंग्स?
Television, yes. I have been getting several offers, and the thing is, I've been I started my career with films, so I have been getting simultaneous offers for films, and it's about what the heart wants, nothing else. So I'm not saying that I will not be seen on television or I don't want to do a television show. I'm just focusing on my films and web series and ad films which are coming my way. So you'll see more coming up soon, and television probably. I've taken a little break from that for now. I am letting, just a breather space for now. Yeah.
Dahliz was such a hit कि fans का hangover अभी तक कम नहीं हुआ है. So Tridha, have you taken a gap to help the viewers reduce their hangover?
No hangover. See, even that was a fine night. लोग पूछते रहते हैं, अभी भी when I go somewhere कि why did it end? It had to go on for long. So I have to just say कि all good things must come to an end, and I think it's more enjoyed when it has a shelf life, as I would say, कि जब वो story आप शुरू से लेके end तक there's a finite space to it. I think it's more enjoyable.
अब दहलीज की बात आ ही गई है तो त्रिधा, let us know कि how much you're missing the star cast of Dahliz, and साथ ही recently you've shifted to Mumbai from Delhi. So what all adjustments you've made here?
I am a Bengali, from Kolkata, and I've recently shifted to Bombay. So I must say Delhi ki jo sardi, that fun, you have. Because Bombay, unfortunately, has no winter. Yeah. So you don't get to, enjoy that wintry, chilly, nippy, feeling, which is in the air. But definitely, I miss that about Delhi. I miss the lovely street food. Jab bhi, I used to get a chutti, I used to go, hum sab milke jate the, and that whole fun of, after shoot, staying in a villa, all of us together, so that is something which you don't enjoy every day.
Your fans are crazy to do a joint interview of you and Harshit, so what would you like to say to your fans regarding it?
I know this is like a common thing we've all come across, that when you really like, because it's not about just one person. You like the duo on screen or, together. So definitely Harshit and me are good friends. We end up meeting together. So whenever we do get, if we get a chance, because he's also working and so am I, we'll try to, make this wish come true of getting a joint interview. But at the same time, I would say, Harshit and me, I think whichever questions you all have asked us so far, we've always answered, So be it a joint interview or individual, I think you guys do get your answers. Hi guys, this is Tridha and you're watching me on India Forums.
We hope you got a gist of idea about your favorite TV star's current life via this interview. So don't forget, for more updates on your favorite shows, like, share and subscribe on YouTube to India Forums. Addiction at its best. Ashima Chabra, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.